Yes, when we say enterprises next level, we say we are breaking barriers. Come on, if you are earning seven-figure income, either monthly or yearly, I think you are breaking barriers. That is what we represent. We represent lifestyle, we represent good health. Now, the concept, enterprises next level, who are we? Enterprises Next Level is a wellness marketing company, all right? We are into the research and development and production and distribution of wellness and personal care products. If you are listening to my voice right now, chances are that you have used our products. Yes, there's a likelihood that you've used our product, or you have seen it, or somebody have had a testimony that is related to you somehow. We are the people behind that product. We are the voice, the hand behind that product. And this company is not just in your location, it's growing and it's spreading like wildfire. However, we are taking it one step at a time, building it organically. Our vision is to become a world-class manufacturing company with the largest distributor and direct sales agent network, okay? And we have a core mandate to save one and to save many. Save one, save many by improving their health with our product. Now, if you look around the world today, there are a lot of illnesses, a lot of diseases, a lot of, gone are the days, they say life expectancy, on average, people that are 60, 80, 90. Now we have children, we have adults that are having one or two ailments based on what? The environment, the food, the lifestyle. Now we have products that are helping people to live healthy, that are helping people to live longer, that are even helping people to manage some life-threatening diseases. And the testimonies are massive, okay? So this company is out there to help everyone. Gone are the days people die out of ignorance, all right? Those that died of malaria those days, they were ancient of days. So nobody should die of malaria because there are solutions, okay? So Enterprises Next Level is bringing world-class solutions to some of these issues and how you can manage them. We are also a social networking empowerment system. And to tell you, one of the things that you discover about our platform is that we have our own social media platform. Okay, we have our own technology that we use to run our business. So it becomes very easy for everyone to sign into this business and start making money. All right, so we also encourage lifestyle. When you make money, you should have lifestyle now. So we'll be seeing how you can enjoy exotic vacations, the kind of lifestyle you want, the dreams that you want to, you've been dreaming, your aspirations, you can actually make them come true on our platform. Yes, this is the reality. This is the reality. Now, what are our products? If you look on your screen, you will see some mind-blowing, testimony-breaking, interesting products that are turning the world around. Yesterday, a few days ago, I got a testimony. Somebody posted on the group from Cameroon, and I was so excited. I said, look at what this company has done in the life of a family. Look at how this product has helped a home. Our products are building homes, all right? And it will be a thing of joy for you to be part of someone's testimony. Being part of someone's testimony. I got this thing through this guy. These are the products. We have FEMEBOLD, we have VIGORBOLD, we have CRAMSTEM, we have the Slim Bold, we have the coffee latte. And then we have the toothpaste that you will be seeing on the shelf. Enterprise Next Level is just where you should be, guys. It's where you should be, it's where you should be. So if you join us for the first time, ensure you get this product, use it, and come and give us testimony. I can assure you that just one trial will convince you. Now, what do? We distribute products based on their benefits. We don't hype our company, we don't hype the product. We distribute our product based on their benefits. So what they are meant to do is what they will do. You just need to understand that we don't overhype it, we follow the benefit. And the most important and most interesting part, every business that has a good product, you must have a good reward system. Now, I can tell you for free that Enterprises Next Level reward system is absolutely rich. Don't get it twisted. This is where you can make 60 million, 7 million, 8 million naira. Nobody will say, how far? How did you do it? You just have the system. You tell them, this is what I did. It's so sweet and it's so simple. So we boast of that. We have a very rich reward system. Whichever way you're coming in, you still get to earn income from the platform. All right? Now, it will shock you to discover that just joining us on a gold package and following one of our strategy, you can be earning 21,000 naira either on a daily basis or on a weekly basis, depending on how the speed that you're applying on your business. If you also decide to join us on the Sapphire package, you still discover that you'll be earning a lot of money. You can earn up to 163,000 either daily or monthly or weekly, depending on how you want to do your business. If you join us on Emerald, you still get to earn over 326,000 naira running this Emerald. All right. If you join us on Gold, for instance, you have the possibility of generating nothing less than, on average, following the strategy that will be unveiling tonight, nothing less than $474 cap on just binary commission. But that doesn't mean that this is the only way you can earn income from this business. We have a lot of ways that you can earn income. I mean, someone is joining us on Diamond package and you are earning over 2,000 naira on binary and airing bonuses. Massive, guys. Massive. The compensation plan is so rich. The compensation plan is so rich. And you don't need to do too much. You just need to follow the process. However, there are 9 ways we earn in this company. For time's sake, because we want to do practical, I will not really be taking this one at a time. But just understand that we have 9 ways you can earn income from enterprises. We have the direct bonus, we have the binary bonus, we have the upgrade bonus, we have the repurchase bonus, we have the retail bonus, we have the matching bonus, we have the leadership bonus and incentive where you qualify, you enjoy trips, you enjoy awards and all of that. And then we have the Stockist opportunity, Stockist bonus, where as a Stockist, you get to earn a certain commission from products that are being picked at your store. But those that are on this live stream that also want to become Stockists, reach out to the person that invited you. He will guide you on how you can become Stockists. I can tell you Stockists are really enjoying, all the products they are getting paid, automated. Then we have the global partnership. Yes, you can sign up with Enterprises Next Level as a global partner, meaning you are a shareholder in this company, and for every product that is being sold worldwide, you are earning from that. So imagine we sold 1 million products or 1 million units of products in a particular year. You could have earned a lot. If it's 11 naira or whatever dollar is in your country, multiply that by 11 million units. 1 million units. That should give 11 million naira. So if you have a business that gives 11 million naira annually extra, I think that is a wonderful platform. So global partnership is also open. If you have someone that is interested or you're on this live stream, you're interested in the global partnership, you need information. Instead of leaving your money in the bank or buying stocks or shares that you cannot predict the future. A lot of people make mistakes. They buy shares and they forget about it and the share will just drop out. That's all. But in Enterprises Next Level, you are earning per product. So it's more than a share. You can call it return on investment or return on your package, okay? But it's quite interesting. You can sign up for that. Let's do business. Okay. My admin, please, those that are on the waiting room, you can kindly add them before so that they don't miss the training. Now, Enterprise Next Level is also a place where you enjoy lifestyle. You can see our partners. This was one of our last leadership hangouts. When you make money, you enjoy. See leaders, see fine girls, fine women and boys. Everybody's just flexing because when you hustle, there should be a time for relaxation. So we guarantee you lifestyle. Come and enjoy with us. Come and flex Enterprise. Business is not supposed hard. All right, business is not supposed hard. Just do the right thing, follow the process, and you will enjoy success. Now, what are our advantages in this business? We have a business that is automated. You don't need to struggle. We have a system you can automate your business and you get paid daily. It drops into your account and you just do cash out directly to your bank. We have responsive leadership. Leadership that you can access any of the leaders, any of the management team. They're always available to help you. Even our doctor, free doctor. We have somebody type free doctor. You have a doctor you can consult on Enterprise. Just chat the pharmacy. I'm having so and so. It will just direct you. Free medical access. You have it on Enterprise Next Level. You just chat with the pharmacy. It will guide you. We have awesome products line. Our products are changing the narratives. We have state-of-the-art online platform. What are you talking about? Is there any company that has a social media account as a social media platform? It's only Enterprise Level that has a social media. A company that has its own chat system, as a chat box, or what should I? chatting platform, a website, a social media account like Facebook. We have it. We also have a rich reward system. Every activity you do, you get paid. You buy a product, they give you $6. Big money. You sell 100 products, you get $600 aside the retail commission. Now we also have 9 ways of earnings. These are some of the advantages we have. We have instant cash out. You make your money. Minimum withdrawal is $20. You just go to your account, you click on cash out. Bam. Before you know, the money has hit your account. These are the things we enjoy. We also have training and strategic class. Tonight is one of the nights you will enjoy the strategic class. We have a leader in our midst that will be taking us on how you can build the 7-figure income blueprint. There is a